Because you can. Emotion.
Circumstances forced a hasty departure again.
What's the problem?
The French want their missile technology back, and after that last incident, I feel it is time to find safer harbors.
Wouldn't it be safer to fly?
I'd be dead before I reach check-in. Besides, I need to get my merchandise out of the country.
Need another gun?
You, my friend, are worth 10 guns.
Birthday! Birthday!
Okay, now keep at it.
Birthday! Birthday! Their breach up ahead! They've got a helicopter!
Tomas, you have protected and served me well. But now you must leave us before we reach the open seas. I will lower my personal launch. Keep it, my friend, a token of my gratitude.
Thank you, Colonel.
One more request. While I'm away, could you keep an eye on Mercedes for me?
I think she could look after herself, but sure, I'll keep an eye out.
Gracias, amigo. Hasta luego.
Adios, amigo.
You live from a secret location. Sir Leslie and his homeboys are up north. Another one from Mr. Sam and the boys and girls downtown. Now let's get back to the non-stop music. Time for another Super Rockin' Mr. Magic rap attack, y'all. Before the rain hits wildfire. Y'all, Super Rockin' Mr. Magic, a.k.a. Sir Juice, holding it down on pirate radio in Vice City. That means you can't stop us no matter how hard you try. It's that time again. A little bit of flavor from Grandmaster Flash and the Furious Five.
It's like a jungle sometimes. It makes me wonder how I keep from going under. It's like a jungle sometimes. It makes me wonder how I keep from going under. Everywhere, people like through stage, you know they just don't care. I can't take the smell, can't take the noise. Got no money to move on, I guess I got no choice. Rats in the front, little ropers in the back, junkies in the alley with the baseball bat. I tried to get away, but I couldn't get far, cause a man with a jungle repossessed my car. Don't push me, cause I'm close to the edge. I'm trying not to lose my head. It's like a jungle sometimes, it makes me wonder how I keep from going under. Standing on the front stool, hanging out the window, watching all the cars go by, roaring as the breeze blow. Crazy lady living in a bag, eating out of got a bill, used to be a bag hag, such a tango, skipping like a tango. So hard bridge, I seen the monster structure down at the beach, so watching all the creeps, so she can tell the stories to the girls back home. She went to the city and got so bitty, she had to get a bitch, she couldn't make it on her own. Push me, cause I'm close to the edge. I'm trying not to lose my head. It's like a jungle sometimes, it makes me wonder how I keep from going under. It's like a jungle sometimes, it makes me wonder how I keep from going under. My brother's doing bad, so my mother's TV says she watches too much, it's just not healthy. All my children in the daytime, Dallas at night, can't even see the game or the Sugar Ray fight. The bill collectors, they ring my phone and scare my wife when I'm not home. Got a fun education, digits inflation, can't take the train to the job, there's a strike at the station. New arcade car standing on my back, can't stop to turn around. Sacroiliac, mid-range, migraine, cancer, membrane, sometimes I think I'm...
Alright Tommy, it's Paul. I've just heard from a mush that you've been a real naughty boy. Somebody's taken offence to you acting like the big guy all of a sudden, giving it a big shot thing. Well, don't say I never warned you or nothing. Boasting is a mug's game, son. Anyway, I heard there's some price been put on your head and someone's gonna have a crack at you, so watch yourself. And remember me, mate.